Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make bread at home with only 4 ingredients. I will also be showing you 3 different methods to achieve this. The first method is called simple baguette. In a bowl, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Mix the dry ingredients together. After that, we add 1 3/4 cups of warm water. That is a total of 430 ml. Next, we mix very well using a spatula until a sticky dough is formed. For this method, there is no kneading required. You only mix the dough together with your spatula. After mixing, we cover and place in a warm area to double in size, or you can leave on your kitchen counter overnight. Once the dough has doubled in size, sprinkle some flour on a work surface and transfer to it. Sprinkle some more flour on the dough and divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Gently shape the dough into log, but do not press out the air bubbles. Transfer the dough to a baking tray already layered with parchment paper. Repeat the process for the second dough. Bake in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Another method to know if your bread is done: tap on the bottom. If you hear a hollow sound, then it's ready, but if there is no hollow sound, then it's not ready. This is the simplest and easiest baguette recipe you can make by yourself at home with only 4 ingredients and no stress. Allow the bread to cool down completely, then you can slice and spread with butter or enjoy with any other spread of your choice like jam, Nutella, or to eat as it is. This bread is crusty on the outside and soft on the inside. Please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Let's move right into the second method. This next method is called the Artisan. It is crusty on the outside and soft on the inside. This method requires kneading. In a bowl, add 4 cups of bread flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, and 1.5 cup of warm water. Using a stand mixer, knead the dough on high until it's smooth and stretchy. You can also do this by hand, but it will take a while, like 10 minutes. After kneading, your dough should look like this. Slightly oil your palm and remove the dough from the mixer. Mold the dough into a ball and transfer to a bowl and cover with cling film. Place the dough on a warm area to double in size. Once the dough has doubled, take out the cling film and deflect the dough. Remove the dough from the bowl and divide into 3 equal parts. Place each dough on a separate bowl. Slightly flour each of the dough and cover with cling film for 30 minutes. After that, remove the cling film and transfer the dough gently to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Flour the baking tray with some flour before placing the dough. Also, flour the dough after placing in the baking tray. Score the top of the dough using a scoring blade or scissors or a sharp knife. You can guard each of the dough with extra parchment paper, but this is optional. After that, we bake in the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This bread goes well with any meal or any beverage of your choice like coffee or tea. Look at how beautiful it looks. Soft on the inside and crusty on the outside. If you like your bread super crusty, then this next method is for you. In a bowl, add 210 ml of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar or more if you want it sweet, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Mix very well. Next, we add 2.5 cups of bread flour. Mix very well until a dough is formed. After that, cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, dip your hand into water and gently bring the edges of the dough together to the middle. After that, cover again and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, dip your hand into the water and slap the dough against the bowl a few times to build the gluten strength of the dough. Once that is done, cover and place in a warm area to double in size. Once the dough has doubled in size, transfer to a work surface. Remember to flour your work surface. Form the dough into a log and divide into 5 equal parts. You can make it less than 5 if you want the bread more chunky. Mold each of the dough into a ball and then flatten and roll up into a log. Transfer the dough to a tray layered with parchment paper and cover to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out the cover and score the bread using a scoring blade or scissors. Brush some water on each of the dough. Cover with another pan and bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then take out the cover and bake for an additional 15 minutes. Your super crusty bread is ready. Let me know in the comment section which of the method is your favorite and if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. Don't forget to support my channel by liking the video, subscribing and commenting. Also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. If you have any questions and suggestions for me, please kindly write it down in the comment section. I will read all of them and get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.